So my partner recently got the Philips 3000 series beard trimmer, and I'm going to talk about why we decided this was the best option, and I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the box it arrives in. If you are ordering it online, I felt that this couldn't go through my letterbox, so you might want to keep that in mind. But this is how the actual trimmer looks. So it currently has its guard on. So some of the features that my partner liked about this is that it has 20 length settings. It has 60 minutes running time and 1 hour charging. And it has 0.5mm precision steps. It's very easy to use, and I'm going to show you it now in action.
So my partner said that the handle has a good grip to it, it's very comfortable to use. He has quite thick hair, and as you can see it's kind of getting long, and yet the shaver does a really good job and it doesn't irritate his skin at all. So overall, really happy with this, and we would definitely recommend it.